So all I'm going to do is fit that. So let's see it fitted. And there we go. And there's the pipe all connected, all in. Welcome back, folks. So let's have a look and see what's turned up today. So this will most likely interest you folks, because obviously I've got the v-tuf V7 in front of me with a broken pipe. So there we go. This is the pipe that we were talking about, which obviously has now been superseded with a brand new version. And this is the brand new version, which most likely is coming on all the new ones. I can't swear by this, but this is what they've sent me out today, and that is a completely different beast altogether. The connector at the top here is exactly the same. That goes in there, so all I have to do is take that one out and put that one in and follow exactly how it is. You can see that's a much better, well built one. Look, you're not going to cut a hole in that pipe, are you? That is really heavy duty. That's better than my professional one, which I got on my Karcher. So all I'm going to do is fit that. So let's see it fitted. And there we go. And there's the pipe all connected, all in. And that is all ready to go. And also I fitted the quick release on there as well. So that's all on. And obviously this is your standard gun with the quick release. And then if you buy one of these and you've got a quick release on the end of it, I'll show you exactly what this is good for. And this is the reason you buy one, is so you can get into the wheel arches. That is the main reason you have a smaller version, because as you can see, the long version, you'd struggle to get in that groove. Because remember, on cars, there's all this, look, see, caked in there. But that will get in there and you can spray all the inside of that out. So let's give this a little bit of a go. So let's let you in for a little secret. I think that's more powerful now. So this pipe here is certainly not as good as that black one. It just proves the point, doesn't it? But this won't be a part of your package anymore, all right? You will be getting a new pipe. If you've bought one of these and you're not happy with the pipe, contact the manufacturer, link in the description. You can contact them and they'll send you a proper one through. And especially like this one's got a hole in it and I hadn't even used it, I only took out. Now that new pipe, there's no way in this world that this new pipe is going to go the same way. That is a very, what I call a very commercial pipe, to say the least. And to go with that beast over there, I don't mind saying that that is built like a brick shithouse, and there's no doubt about it. That is a brilliant machine for what I've found out already. So far, what I've used it for, it's working really, really well, and I'm really happy. Now that pipe's on there, it'll be a lot better. But we still got this baby to do. It needs a good wash. It's absolutely filthy. It's minging. I'm waiting to give the power washer V7 a bash, because this little baby over here is absolutely minging. I don't mind telling you. It is actually covered in grot. It hasn't been done for ages. I've deliberately left it. Also, my other car is also in the same state. I've left it because I don't want people to think I only clean cars. But as you can see, what I said to you earlier, under those wheel arches, absolutely minging. And don't forget, if you want more content like this, let me know in the description, because I don't mind doing this type of thing. Obviously, I have got some more items inside the house we need to test out, and obviously I need to do reviews on the reviews I've already done, because obviously some of the items I've got I've had for a very, very long time, and one of the items is over 6 years old, and we need to review that again, because obviously I've still got it and it's still working. I won't tell you what it is, but we'll see you very shortly on Auto Clean Truths. Laters! And don't forget, there's a link in the description if you want 10% off anything from v-tuf. That covers professional and non-professional people. The link is in the description.